Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a turn or a corner in the border of the shawl, or you can use it for the blankets as well, but I'm making a shawl at the moment, so I will show you how to can do it when you reach at the corner of your shawl. You can see here I already done starting my border over here, and this is the first row. And when I reach at the corner of my shawl, what I did, I just make 2 chains in between the last 2 stitches, and I start working on the other side of my shawl. So now I am reaching at the second row. What I'm going to do, I'm showing you here, you can see I'm making this ribbed pattern in double crochet. I already showed this method in my other video, you can see it on my channel. So I'm making front and back post, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that over here. Okay, so I'm going to make now in these 2 chains, I'm going to make 1 more double crochet, and 2 chains again, and make another double crochet in the same spot. Okay, you can see now. So again there's 2 chain between the last 2 stitches, but here this is the front post and this is back post. So in my next row it will be, this one will be the first front post, and this one will be the back one. So this one I'm going to make the first front post, double crochet like this, and now keep going in the same way you are doing your ribbing. So when you reach in the third row, this is my second row, so when you reach in the third row, again in this gap you are going to make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet, and then start making your ribbing again on the same pattern. And in the fourth row, again in this middle point, you're going to add 2 double crochet with 2 chains. Now continue with the same pattern in each and every row. Whenever you reach in the row 3rd and row 4th, do the same thing, 2 double crochet, and in the middle of 2 double crochet make 2 chains. It's very easy. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye. Allah Hafiz.